everybody, my name is John Jones. This is the Software Business Application class. Today's software business application I will be running and teach you guys today is Google Chrome, specifically their pop-up ads. So let's go ahead and dive right into it right away here. Have you ever been to a website where there's a link and you clicked on it, but nothing ever happened? You just don't understand why nothing's going anywhere. Well, that could be due to your pop-ups being blocked. Check it out in Google Chrome here. We'll be specifically diving into Google Chrome, although Firefox and Internet Explorer, the way to do these pop-ups are very similar, so just kind of follow along here, folks. So yeah, we can't access our pop-ups. We're going to go up here to the top right of Google Chrome, three little dots here, customize and control Google Chrome. It'll give you a list of different tools and things like that. Your history, let's not look into that. Go straight to your settings, though, everybody. And once we get into the settings here, we will see a whole list of stuff here. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. Ignore all this. Advanced tools. That's where we want to go to. And privacy and security. A lot of information here. Content settings. So this is where our home base is going to be for pop-ups being allowed here on our website, guys. So content settings under advanced tab controls what information you'll be able to see here. And once you click on the content settings, it will bring a whole list of more information, but we're going straight directly for the pop-ups and redirects right here. So go ahead and click on that, and we will be presented with the blocked but recommended pop-up screen here. If you click this or slide it right over to the right, it turns blue, and then it allows all the pop-ups on your website. Below, you can also block certain pop-ups on certain websites if you want, or even allow them as well. So now that this is allowed, we're going to go back into this tab and see if this pop-up here works. This link right here is to the MindTap access. I know a lot of current students and future students will be using MindTap, and it is a pop-up, so in order for this to work, you'll need to know how to allow those pop-ups. And look at that, it looks like we have everything we need here. A lot of stuff here for the pop-ups, which is great. So yeah. And if you ever want to turn the pop-ups off because you just get annoyed of them, once again, we'll go right back through the steps here, folks. Right down there, advanced, click on content settings, pop-ups and redirects, turn that off, and you cannot access your assignments anymore. So there you go. There you go. Yeah, other ways you can figure out how to get these, figure out how to turn the pop-ups on is just by going straight to Google and pop-ups in Google Chrome, and it should just give you a list step by step. Step by step on how to allow those pop-ups or deactivate them. So a lot of resources out there, a lot of great things here for us. Today I showed you guys the pop-up on Google Chrome. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and have yourselves a great day. Thank you.